Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, most of our Arsenal Football Club. We get a lot of pundits who don't come and second talk about Thomas Partey and in movements for January. So they come to talk say how Arsenal will take cope with the absence of this guy. Who be the possible people who feel replace him for that Arsenal setup? So me say I come to look say if El Neni come out now, if Partey come out, now which person Arsenal will take replace them? Already Lokonga don dey replace Xhaka. I don't say Xhaka own na 3 months Baba go come out. So we never know whether by January itself whether he go really dey okay to come back, come play. So we never know how that one go be. So assuming say Xhaka never come back, so now we have only Lokonga, no El Neni. So they go come put Lokonga and Islam nice for that middle of the park. Abi how they go do am? It no go make sense, abi. So who be the possible people we supposed to buy? That's why we dey reason all these kinds Zakaria for Borussia Mönchengladbach. I never know whether Arsenal really they go for him. But you get another player we can catch my eye. Why the reason say why Arsenal no come out for this guy? And this guy na Felipe Coutinho of Barcelona. Even now Barcelona they offer Coutinho to Newcastle on a loan with an obligation to buy. Why can't we go for this guy? Say okay, how far? People will get this guy. And at the same time, why we know they look our own as they still come back for that story. Martin Keown don't come outside from media setting where they ask Baba say I they see Arsenal and the way they play and where anything say they go fit end up. So Baba can they talk say the way they see Arsenal now with the way their progression starts be now. Since see Arsenal ending up in top 4, you see Arsenal going to Champions League because if you look at now the way everything be, she been a Man City wey knock Arsenal 5-0 just long ago for the beginning of the season. Now Arsenal they like maybe 3 points behind Man City. See how things don't change. See how fast rising Arsenal just did. So Baba Conde very happy with the squad. Say if they continue with this progression now where they go. Just imagine say them beat Watford now on Sunday. They will go up high up the table now. Now they like 6th because this weekend now that kind of Man City derby. My Manchester derby, Man U go play Man City. So no, we are Manchester United get the same points. I did see that game say Manchester United go drop points, and if they drop points, West Ham self they play Liverpool. I did scam say West Ham self go drop points. So imagine say this week will be our direct rivals. They are above us. They can't drop points. We will come win. Don't think this go soft now. We can't be equal on points with West Ham, and I never know the goal differences. If we get better goal differences, we fit it for 4th, or if we do it go make sense gone. So Baba they talk say hopefully as everything they go. But the main test, no be really test because anything can happen. We feel lose, we feel no lose because after Watford now we'll play that kind of Liverpool, and after Liverpool, Blessing will come play that kind of Manchester United. So Man U now 50-50 anything can happen because they'll be shit pack at the moment. So that they do give away. So if we go there collect our own 3 points or collect draw. If we collect draw for that kind of Manchester United, collect draw for Liverpool and on our big statements. Even if we lose against Liverpool, I know we'll count them as anything because they hot like fire now, they knock anybody. So I just pray say our unbeaten run no go spoil for there. At least if not draw, we go manage them. So that's what it just be. My dear football lovers, I know say a lot of una don't talk say una no see Arsenal for top 4. Some people don't talk say una no see am for top 4. But una get that hope, like say at least we will see Europe for the end of this season. Una get that hope. Also Campbell don't come outside and talk say he don't dey for Crystal Palace like this now. Say he dey with Vieira. Say he want continue in management career. I mean learn 1 or 2 things from the guy because come like say Vieira know wetin they do because when this guy come up for OG nice, everybody come talk say the guy no sabi coach again. So all of a sudden Crystal Palace come give am the contract. Now Baba don't come here now and he dey run a lot of things. If that Crystal Palace na knock Man City, a whole big Man City, knock them well. So now so it just be so everybody they praise Vieira. Even some people say get that mind say Vieira one day if he become Arsenal manager. Say anything you go make Daniel Ek take over Arsenal, they go draft in Vieira because Vieira are part of their coup planning committee. So that is just it. Well, I dey happy for the guy. When he said go learn work under Vieira. Vieira said learn work under Pep Guardiola. So now so everything just be. For media setting, one of our monitoring spirits where they call Charlie Watts. This guy is a powerful journalist, now Arsenal journalist in B. So yesterday, Baba come and say, talk say, when they hear the news about this Luka Jovic to Arsenal. But the thing be say for him, this one my own personal opinion. No be say he gets anything from anywhere to talk. So your personal opinion be say he no see Arsenal going for this guy because when you check the caliber of players wey Arsenal don dey buy, Arsenal no really dey buy proven strikers, because you look at the way he's na proven striker, everybody know am before. Anytime make Madrid go buy am, the guy could die. Na just be say as him dey Madrid, he no come fit dey play because Benzema dey block am. Benzema dey put the guy for strong Benjamin. Maybe say the guy even go on loan to Germany yesterday last season, come back again, continue for him Benjamin. Say if Arsenal go for the guy, it go make sense as a temporary fix. But the main target we dey find na by the summer we go buy a big name signing. You get? Say for the summer, no Arsenal go spend money, but e no go be like as they don buy like 5 players. Say at the end of the season, they fit buy maybe 1, 2 or 3 people. You get? Give them confirm, and no name will be say Vienna himself you go dey fear as a defender. Say but for this January na temporary fix they go like to do, because for 1 month they go mix some kind of senior men, all those kind of party and Aubameyang. You know, so these people they integral to Arsenal setup. So the guys buy people to come, and that's why they reason loan deals, like loan with an obligation to buy. At least that kind of deal it will make sense for Arsenal. So well, if they sign the guy, good signing. But overall for him, you know, see Arsenal doing this deal. And another thing we're going to talk about now, this Awa. You know, I've been mentioned Awa before. Say this Awa, why can't be say Awa interest for Arsenal don't go cold? Arsenal know the reason the guy the way they did the reason and before them buy party. Now Awa, now Ateta talks to me them buy for her. Now Edu Gaspar come reason say okay, Omomo Kukuma buy party. Get maybe later we'll go buy Awa. We dey beg Leon say I beg. When I give us this Awa, they send 54 million pounds. We say we no get money. They send 30 million pounds to get. We beg them. They no agree. We go say okay, we'll go buy this guy later. We'll come buy party. Now fast forward that many transfer windows now, we no wan go for this guy again. Wetin come change? Wetin up? The guy now for French league after 12 games, the guy don score 3 goals, make 2 assists. This guy still dey hot. The guy dey very good. No go sign this guy. That be the problem why I no go understand. Why are we not going for this guy? I don't know whether I go fit answer this question. Why is his interest cold? Now we dey find cover for midfield cover, and this guy he no get plenty years for a contract again. Even last transfer windows, they even give us a cheaper fee. Say even if una go fit pay 20 million pounds, we'll give una Awa. Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur they try their best. We go every year say at the end of the transfer window, we really go for the guy. They no gree sell him again. Say time don't go because themselves no go fit get replacement. But now for this January, we say we dey find cover for party especially, and then anyway they go. Why are we not putting Awa in the mix? We never even hear anything. Even if now room ourselves, we never hear anything. No gossip, nothing about Awa. Wait till they subshare the guy no good again. Then I help me ask. My mandatory spirit that they call the Telegraph don't come outside. They let us know say William Saliba don't begin English lessons ahead of next season. You know, see people don't they tip the guy say Arteta go draft him into the first team next season because we expect people like Pablo Mari to find their square roots, Callum Chambers, and maybe Rob Holding fit still stay to partner Saliba. I never know how they want to do him next season, but we expect some people to go and Saliba to come. I know say Saliba na French speaking player because they buy from Saint-Etienne and now they play for Marseille. The guy know English not too strong yet, so as in they learn English because they show us truly say in get plan to stay for Arsenal next season. Well, it's a nice one. May learn am quick abeg. At the same time, Arsenal they interested in signing Genk striker, which they call Paul Onuachu. Arsenal they monitor the guy's situation, and this guy makes sense for that Belgium league. The guy don't score 39 goals in 45 appearances. So this season alone, Baba don't score 18 goals, and this guy don't come outside from media setting, come outside openly for public domain. Let everybody know say him be Arsenal fans. Him they pray, him they dream. One day where Arsenal will sign a main company for us. The guy get presence, the guy tall, the guy a Nigerian guy, so he's strong, power day. They outmuscle them for that Belgium Jupiler League. So but the problem is say if we can't bring this guy for EPL, say he will replicate the form when they show them for that Belgium Jupiler League. Now there be the issue. Not be to buy you be the problem. Say if you come here, we bust this week in week out for us. But how are we going to find this out if we not give the guy a trial? Now there be the problem. So I feel say make Arsenal go for this guy. Forget say he be Nigerian and he be Nigerian. She make Arsenal go for the guy and make Arsenal just die off the matter. We that must just go for him as a temporary fix. Then for that January, if we just get maybe later if we don't sign people who won't sign, it will just be Benjamin. They enter they don't weak or they don't get injury. He go enter because we need to sign a cover, a striking cover. That one is Shola because by that January, Aubameyang too big to come out. The vacuum would be too big. You get we need somebody to come and replace it. Martinelli no go fit do that one. Martinelli no be target man. Martinelli no, in short, he no go fit. I know it's at the top. He no go fit. Say me just carry the mantle of leadership, throw and say me come cover Aubameyang shoes. I won't kill her. The pressure will be too much. I only like I said, no go fit do the work because now we say we play 4-4-2. We need two strong people for that place, for that 4-4-2. Unless maybe we want change our formation, go back to 4-2-3-1 or go back to 4-3-3. Any which way, I never know as it will be. Until January, I will let you know as this up. At the end of the summer, everybody knows that the main targets, even if the Gaspar said don't reason now, the main targets we Arsenal they find. I believe Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Oli Watkins. And as it be now, there is no way Aston Villa go allow Oli Watkins to come join Arsenal for January. It don't make sense. There is no way Everton go allow Dominic Calvert-Lewin to even come join Arsenal for January. It no will make sense. So all these people, these two people now are major targets, major names so we talk about. At the end of the season, we will approach these owners of these two people. So okay, we won't buy this for how much it could be. Yes, that kind of Oli Watkins maybe 30-35 million pounds. Then Dominic, I did see Dominic like maybe that kind of 50 million pounds. And they go face him give that because these two people are experienced in the league. You know, not like acclimatization. Say the one they acclimatize, they play for that league. A lot of people they throw names like Isaac of Real Sociedad, say Moko Bayern. But the problem is say. The fact say they play very well for La Liga. La Liga no be EPL. La Liga no be strong place. No gradier for EPL. Our mountain is different. So there's no guarantee say if he come here now saying go shine. Compared to people who say we know them. They live for small teams. They see the score. What will come happen? They come the teams like Arsenal where the Christians are plenty. Where people they bust nets. People they lose chances. So I say this will go fair. So that is what it is. So if they call Isaac, if you say if Isaac come here he go shine, let me know for the comment section. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you. Have a nice day.